back on the taxi today. This time I'm doing all these ball joints. So what I picked up the advisories were these boots on previous MOTs, but they've all had it. And these top ones, I've had to order a bigger socket for these because they're like 46mm sockets. I ain't got one that big, so that's coming on Wednesday. But so if I'm going to get these 6 done, 3 this side, 3 the other side, should be dead easy, right? Famous last words. Let's get some tools together and crack on. There's the new ones. They're apparently a Rover, according to the stickers. Some right hand threads, some left hand threads. Yeah, tools. We're surprised these lock nuts are like 25 or 26mm, so we're going to have to use an adjustable spanner, but whatever. Where to start? I think we'll start this one. Let's start this one. I think I'm going to do them one at a time, put them all back together. Seems sensible, right? A bit easier than I expected. Just count how many turns I twisted on the same amount of turns, so 22, and it should be about right then. I might go check all the alignment when they're doing MOT and stuff anyway. Hey, so I expect a bit of a problem. I'm just going to grab some copper grease, I think, so the other ones don't get stuck. Yeah, nice, good stuff. Just remember, get all the tools you'll need out. And then you can go back for some more afterwards. So I've just got the drill and the wire brush. I'm just going to clean these bits down while I'm at it. It just seems sensible. Right. They're not too bad anyway, they're pretty flat, but let's do a proper job of it. To measure this a little bit because I think they're longer. In fact, let's the left and third one. Yeah, they're about just ever such a little bit shorter. I think I can get 22 turns on 20 and it was full, so the reins tightened up. Split pin, these split pins look really long, so I think I'm going to have to bend them back on themselves so I don't catch any ties or anything. Let's do the other ones, let's crack on. finally got this bit loose. Let's get the little mini heat thing on it, but we got it. Hey, ding dong, let's crack on. One side done. What a faff. Oh, I think so. Come on. Alright, I'm going to put you, GoPro's about to die, so I will go to the other side, and then I will see you next time when I come back to do these bad boys, which is pretty much the same principle. It's just got this screws into the top of here. Yeah, nuts under the bottom. Break the ball joint. Ace. Alright, massive socket came. Top joints today. So I've just loosened these bolts under here, the 290mm under the bottom to do these top bits. I've just loosened them off, check I can do everything. The other one was a nightmare, so I had to buy a new spanner for it, but a proper spanner did the job. You can't get the socket on because it's ABS sensor. Down here was a bit of a faff, so yeah, all ready to go I think. I'm going to do the other side first because that one seems to be a bit awkward. Yeah, let's see how we get on. Set you up somewhere. Till the hammering starts. There's a hole in the bottom. I need to put a Allen key or something in it, stop it spinning. Ugh. Or get some metal grips on it, that seems to be doing the trick. We'll finish this job today. I'll film you when I've got it off. Right, it's off. Look at this, glorious. So I've got to undo this little tab here and just knock that back up, I guess. Massive socket on, undo it, next one in, job's good in. See if that works out. Doubt it. Alright, do you think this is going to be the first time? Oh. I'm going to say no. Get some properly. No, so the breaker bar's out. will not move. Tried all sorts, I've even got my sheep bar out. Leave it soaking for some dinner. Come back in a bit. Oh mate.